Where's the guinea pig? Vanna, where's the guinea pig? Where's your guinea pig?
She's inside. I put her away.
Oh.
What
are you doing, Juju? What are you doing?
Let's go.
You want a water?
Go.
Can you help your sister, Vanna?
Can you turn off the sound?
No.
Darn it. Help her do what now?
Put it on mist. She can mist the flowers.
God, her hands look so creepy.
Thank you, Vanna.
Anytime.
What are you working on?
I don't know. Where's the chalk bucket?
It's over there on the sidewalk. Don't get your book wet.
Oh.
Bless you. Vanna, can you get her book out of the way before she gets it wet?
Is this the book? Oh, I see.
Maybe her backpack too and the chalk. Thank you. Juju, what are you doing? What are you doing? Water? Are you going to do the flowers? Are you going to do the flowers? Hey, not Mama. Don't get Mama wet. No. No. Juju, water the flowers. Water the flowers. You got it? Juju, smile at Mommy. Say, I love you, Mommy. What? Say, I love you, Mommy. I love you too. Water.